So guys, still working on my job. So I'm almost done with the job, although I'm working on the finishing of it. So you can see this skin now. This is what I did in my previous video. You can see the way I installed it. So I'll be working on how to do the finishing of it. Just stay with us and see exactly what I'm talking about. Please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, I would like you to remember to subscribe for me. Thank you very much all. So hold on, let's see what we're gonna have. So guys, I'm gonna be working on this particular aspect now. You can see the way I fix this now, but it's still very rough. It's still very rough. So it's locked. Okay. I've actually locked. So you cannot let go. So it's open now. So exactly what I want to do now. You all know what it is. This is actually for a door. This is actually for a door. This is where the key used to be. You know, a lot of things like that. So I found this now. So because of the fact that I does not have a laser cutter, a laser cutting machine, and some kind of drilling machine, that is the reason why I now go for this circumference. And this circumference is exactly on this now. You can see. It's exactly the same thing now. You can see. So it's going to make it to look unique. So because of that, I got it too. So one is going to be on this side, while the other one is going to be on the other side. So this is exactly what I'm going to be doing now. So I'm going to be bending it. You can see the angle that I formed here, so that it will be very easier for me to bend it. So I'm going to be bending it like this. Okay. So you guys can see. You can see what I have now. You can see. So I have it like this. And I'm also going to be bending this angle too. So this is exactly what I have right now. So let's see. I think I need to do some cutting of it. I really need to do some cutting of it. Okay, this is exactly what I have. I'm going to be doing some cutting of it now to see how far we're going to go on it. So the same thing goes to this particular one too. I'm going to still be bending this one like this. So make it from here. This is what I have. I also have the same here. So you can see now the boats they are now looking alike. They are now looking alike, and they are the same. They are actually the same calculation. So I'm going to be doing the cutting of it to fix it here so that it will run. Then I'll start cutting cutting out the band that I'm going to use to cover the whole edges. Don't worry, just watch. You're going to see what you're going to have at the end of the day. So we have these two now. Let's go. So guys, I'll be cutting off this particular angle. I'm going to be taking it off to see what I'm going to have. So I'll be taking it off. Okay, yeah. So guys, this is one of it. This one of it. You can see the way this particular one is still looking. So I'm still gonna do the same that I did here to this particular one now. Because I'm gonna be doing a test of this one for me to show you guys what I have at the end of the day. So this is it here now. So this is what I have. This is what I have now. So it's really wrap on it so much. I think.